Hi, welcome to Seshu Solutions. Today I'm going to teach you about add and subtract radical expressions. The first example, 6 square root of 3 plus 4 square root of 3. Here, inside the square root or inside the radical, we have the same number. It acts like a variable. It has the same number, right? Then we can add 6 and 4. 6 plus 4 is 10 root 3. Okay. Second example, minus 10 root 2 plus 3 root 2. Here, both the numbers have the same square roots inside, like square root of 2 and square root of 2. So we can add or subtract the numbers. Minus 10 plus 3. Minus 10 plus 3. We have opposite signs. When you have opposite signs, do the regular subtraction. 10 minus 3 is 7 and keep the bigger number sign. The absolute value of bigger number sign, the bigger number is 10. It is having minus 7, so minus. So you'll keep the answer as minus 7 square root of 2. Third example, 8 square root of 5 minus square root of 5. This one we can write it as 8 square root of 5 minus 1 square root of 5. Inside the square roots we have the same number, so you can just do subtraction. 8 minus 1 is 7 square root of 5. Okay. Now, the fourth example, minus 2 square root of 108 minus 5 square root of 3. Here, inside the radicals, it is not the same numbers. We have to do, so we can try to simplify the radical square root here, 108. 108, do the prime factorization. 2 times 54. 2 times 27. 2 times, 3 times 9, and 9 is nothing but 3 times 3. Minus 2, how many 2's we have here? 1, 2. 2 times 2, and then we have 3 3's. 3 times 3 times 3, minus 5 root 3. Here, inside the square root, if you have two exact numbers, when you take off the square root, we'll write only, instead of 2 2's, we'll write only 1 2. Similarly, 3 times 3 is 9 and square root of 9 is just 3. Square root of 3 minus 5 root 3. Okay, if you have doubt in simplifying square roots, please watch the previous videos. Okay. Negative 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Negative 12 root 3 minus 5 root 3. Now inside the square roots we have the same numbers. So we can add or subtract, okay, the leading coefficients. Minus 12 and minus 5. They both have the same sign. When they both have the same sign, you can add the two numbers and keep the same sign. Minus 12 minus 5 is minus 17 root 3. Okay. The last example. Minus 11 square root of 72 plus 6 square root of 2. 72, we can write it as 2 times 36. 36 is 2 times 18. 2 times 9. 9 is 3 times 3. How many 2's we have? 1, 2, 3. Minus 11. 2 times 2 times 2. And how many 3's we have? 2 3's. 3 times 3 plus 6 root 2. Okay, minus 11. Square root of 4 is 2. And here 3 times 3 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. And we are left with only 1, 2 here, right? 2 plus 6 root 2. Negative 11 times 2 is 22. 22 times 3 is 66. Plus 6 root 2. Negative 66 and positive 6. They both have opposite signs. Then do the regular subtraction. 66 minus 6 is 60. And the bigger number is having minus sign. So we can keep minus. Minus 60 root 2. Okay. I hope I gave you a clear idea about adding and subtracting radical expressions. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.